Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today we bring you two no-bake Aid sweets using chocolate and biscuits only. These are beautiful and easy sweets for Aid, so don't miss out. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us by sharing the video. Your continuous support means a lot to us. Thank you. Let's start the video. As you can see, first we take silicone molds and fill them with chocolate. Here, we use dark chocolate. Then we take crushed biscuits and add a bit of caramel cream and fill these shapes. We did the first mold with dark chocolate. Now we do the same with white chocolate. In the end, we get two simple and beautiful sweets, one with white chocolate and the other with dark chocolate. After finishing the shapes, we arrange and decorate them. The decoration is easy and simple. As you can see here, we add caramel in the center of the chocolate. We add some caramel. Then we can decorate with crushed candies or colored candies or flower paper. You can shape them any way you like. If you liked the shape and recipe, don't forget to share the video and hit the like button. Thank you again, and let's see the second shape. After finishing the first shape, we move on to prepare the second one. The second shape, as we see here, we take biscuits, any type you prefer. We grind it in a machine, either manual or electric, to crush it. In the end, it comes out in this crushed form. Then we add chocolate powder, about 2 tablespoons. Here we try to knead it with caramel cream or liquid chocolate. After finishing the dough, we get this dough shape. Then we use our hands to make small balls like the ones you see here. Then comes the decoration stage. We add some crushed nuts or biscuits and dip it in chocolate to make it look beautiful and wonderful. Honestly, this shape is simple and doesn't take much time or cost to prepare. Easy and simple. In the end, we put it in paper candy molds. I hope these sweets turn out well for you. If you liked these shapes, don't forget to share the video and like the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video, and have a happy and blessed Eid.